Hey you guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. It is officially picnic and barbecue season, and today I'm coming at you with my recipe for a loaded baked potato salad. It features crispy baked potatoes, a creamy dressing, tons of bacon, green onions, and cheese, and it comes together beautifully and so easily and makes for the perfect side dish for any barbecue or picnic. But before we get started, don't forget the full recipe is listed just under this video. Let's get started. So let's talk potatoes. I'm using these beautiful baby red potatoes today. I love them for two reasons. Their flavor is impeccable. As well, the skin gives a beautiful contrast in the salad in terms of color. So I have a pot of water that I've brought up to the boil. I'm just going to gently pour these guys in. We're gonna let them boil for about 15 minutes until they are fork tender. Now all I'm going to do is split these potatoes in half with a sharp knife and add them to a lined baking sheet. I'm going to season with a little bit of olive oil and salt, and we're going to give them a nice toss to coat. They're going to go into a hot oven, and I'm going to bake them off for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring once or twice until they're nice and crispy. So take a look at these potatoes. They are beautifully crispy. They're gonna add a great texture to the potato salad. And now we are going to work on our dressing, which could not be simpler. So into a bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream, as well as some mayonnaise and a pinch of salt, and we're gonna mix that together. I have some beautiful bacon here that I've cooked until crisp. I'm going to roughly chop that up and add half of it to the dressing. I'm going to also slice up some green onions, which are nice and fresh. They're going in as well as grating up some white cheddar cheese, which is going to add such an amazing flavor, and that's going to go in. We're going to give that a nice mix to coat, and then in go the potatoes. Give it a nice toss to make sure every bit of those potatoes is kissed with the dressing and all the ingredients. And we're going to transfer it to a plate and garnish with more bacon and green onions. It is time to taste. I'm so amazed with how quickly this recipe came together. It didn't take too long at all. So I'm going to grab a crispy potato, a little bit of bacon, some of those green onions. Here goes. Now that's a potato salad. It's so good. This salad always amazes me. Between the tangy sour cream, the smoky bacon, the cheddar in there, as well as those crisp green onions, the flavor combination is so good. And then paired with those crispy potatoes, because you gotta keep in mind, most potato salads are made with boiled potatoes, but that extra crisp around the potatoes adds such great texture and puts the salad over the top. Perfect for picnics, barbecues. It is the side dish of the summer, and I hope you have a chance to make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.